What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone Air speakers are not working properly. First, make sure your iPhone Air is not in silent mode and that your volume is not muted. Open up your iPhone settings and head to the Action Button section where you can choose what your action button does. If it's set to silent mode, simply press and hold the action button to enable or disable silent mode. Next, head back to your main settings. Tap on Sounds and Haptics and increase the volume slider to your desired volume. After making sure your iPhone Air is not set to silent mode, make sure to disable any focus mode that might be enabled on your device. Open up your control center by swiping down from the top right of your screen. Here, tap and hold Focus and make sure none of them are enabled. A focus mode will light up when enabled, and tapping on it will disable it again. You can adjust your focus mode settings in your iPhone settings under Focus, in case a focus mode is enabled by default. Another culprit could be a Bluetooth or audio routing device. When enabled, a Bluetooth device will prevent audio from playing through your iPhone speakers. To verify this, simply disable your Bluetooth temporarily and try to play audio again to see if it works. In case this fixes your audio problem, then make sure to verify your Bluetooth settings and make sure to prevent devices from connecting automatically. Next, some apps and games have their own audio and sound settings. Open the app in question, such as Spotify, a game or video editor, and access your in-game settings. Here, make sure your audio levels are turned up. Lastly, make sure to restart your iPhone, especially if you haven't done this in a while. Open up your iPhone settings app and navigate to the General section. Scroll all the way down and tap on Shutdown. Slide to power off your device. Wait 20 seconds and then hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone to power it back on. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.